guys, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. You know, there's a lot of cheesy plastic on the back and side of this van. The front bumper's plastic. I want to get all that painted. So let's get started. I bought a wind splitter from on Amazon for it was $100. Wasn't too bad. So I'm gonna put that on. Well, I kind of got it on here. I feel like on the side here, I'll show you. And it needs to be even with the fender here. I'll show you what I mean. See right here. This needs to be even, right? And it lines up really nice. I'm surprised at how well this thing fits. And then I got to get it up a little higher in the front here. But I'm thinking of maybe I can just clamp that. Let's try it. Let's try it clamp. And there's not much surface there to clamp on, but I think I can, maybe. There's no directions with this whatsoever, so it's like, oh, good luck, here it is. So then maybe I can shove something in there. Maybe if I shove it in the front, you know, that might be better. That's just right. So there, well, that's kind of on there, you know. Now let's do this side. Got to get that clamp the same way. Hopefully you can see that. And they give you these screws right here. So I'm going to go ahead and screw in this end one right here with it perfectly to the end, you know. And these are just self-tappers, so it's okay. So that one's in. Clamp off, and we're golden. Okay, here we are in the front under the middle. There's Lamettry's. Okay, that's good. We're up at Lamettry's Auto Body. They're gonna paint the plastic stuff on our van. I really hate all the plastic. Here it is, guys. We put the spoiler on here finally, and that's looking good. And they're gonna paint everything plastic on here. So the bumper, the grill. I did get it to be, you know, looking better, but it's just, you know, that plastic from Mercedes always looks crummy, so now it's gonna look good. They're gonna paint this too, this guy. And I'm not doing the door handles, but we're doing everything else that's plastic, so should be cool. We're pumped. So I get to go home in this. Here at Lamettry's, check out the van. I see it's just right inside the door, so we'll take a look. So they got the bumper off, and You got all the side pieces off, it looks like. Oh yeah. Huh. Looks like a couple of clips broke, but oh yeah, they got the mirrors. Okay then. Yep. Boy, there's a lot of bugs in that thing. And we're doing this too, doing those. We paint everything, man. Paint everything. Oh, this is the bumper right here? You sure? Is that ours? Are you sure? I guess. Oh yeah, here's where the spoiler was. Huh. So, cool. It's gonna be... Boy, look at all the room right there. You could put something in that spot. Stash area. Anyway, there you go. Update on the van. They're working on it, man. Working on it. It's gonna be really nice. Here we go. Oh yeah, it looks all textured, doesn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, that's the example. But if you kind of look at it in the lighting,
Yep.
you're starting to see more of the clips in the back.
Yep.
So the more it heats up, you can start seeing that come out.
Is that like right here?
Yeah. Yes, it's creasing from the clips. So you can, if you stand from the side.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can really see it when you look down the side. Huh.
Keeping it more textured, I mean, we got other ones that look great.
I see. Yep. These are the rear bumper ends. Here's the mirrors. These are all for the sides, huh? Oh, here's the back of the bumper right there. So they're gonna smooth that out. Here's my little spoiler. And the front bumper, they haven't buffed this out yet. They're gonna put another coat on it yet. But boy, it sure is nice to get these. And here's the front grille pieces, or I mean the top of the hood grille. Here's somebody else's bumper, similar color, a lot shinier. So they're working on it here. Well, she said they got the van just about done. They're putting it together. I'm just going to go down there and check it out and see how it looks. You got one shot at this, boys. Hey, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. Thanks for watching. We'll throw some shots of the finished paint job at the end here, and hit the subscribe button, and appreciate all your support. See you next time. Bye bye.